Creating connectors for harsh environments is more than just a manufacturing process. In order to provide customers with the confidence they need to adopt its products, Bulgin maintains a fully documented quality system. Bulgin's manufacturing facilities are regularly inspected by the British Standards Institution, or BSI, and are approved to ISO 9001. Bulgin constantly invests in new plant and equipment, and the full digital integration of design and manufacturing ensures that all components conform to the highest quality standards. The design and manufacturing processes are further supported by Bulgin's own in-house testing facilities. These provide both pre-production testing to make sure that new products deliver the planned performance, and regular checks to ensure the quality of the factory's output. Bulgin is a company with a global footprint and is proud to provide connectivity solutions to international customers. To achieve this, Bulgin is committed to ensuring that its products are ready for the worldwide marketplace. Bulgin works diligently to comply with all of the necessary international standards and has gained safety approvals from governing bodies the world over. Bulgin is also active in the minimising of its impact on the environment. Bulgin conforms to Restriction of Hazardous Substances directives known as RoHS, and also the regulations governing waste electrical and electronic equipment. It works proactively with its supply chain partners to comply with all international regulations governing the misuse of conflict minerals. Bulgin is a company that takes pride in manufacturing high-quality solutions that are suitable for use around the world. Complying with a wide range of international safety and environmental standards, Bulgin is a responsible manufacturer that can be relied upon to deliver products that provide peace of mind, whatever your requirements might be.